Hi, I'm Verity and I'm back in the Piper's Farm kitchen again, and we're going to be using this 100% grass-fed mutton to make one of the most iconic Caribbean dishes, curry mutton with some coconut rice and peas. We're going to simply start by making a traditional Caribbean green sauce by mixing a whole load of herbs and vegetables and onion and some Scotch bonnet for heat in a food processor to make a kind of paste. We're going to use that paste and marinate our mutton in it with a few tablespoons of Jamaican curry powder and then leave that for about an hour. When we're ready to make our curry base, this is just by softening some onions and some garlic, some more curry spices. We're going to add our mutton with a dash of coconut milk and also some stock, and then let that simmer slow and low. We're in no rush when we're making a Caribbean dish. We're on island time for about 2.5 hours. And in the meantime, we're going to make a really simple rice and peas. And this is just made with kidney beans, onions, some more spices, and rice, of course. And then we're going to let that boil up and then simmer and stay for roughly about 10-15 minutes until fluffy. Our curry is almost ready. If you're anything like me and you like a little bit of heat, we're going to add in some Scotch bonnet and some thyme and some spring onions and also some chopped potatoes. And once those potatoes are fully cooked, we're ready to serve our delicious golden curry mutton with our rice and peas.